Today I'm going to show you some gift-worthy tools out of the tool bag that I carry around every day out in the field. I love these DeWalt tool bags. This is a 16-inch. It has pockets on the outside and it has pockets on the inside. If you get these tool bags that just have an open shell, then everything just gets dumped in and lays loose in the bottom and you have to dig for it. First thing I want to show you is this magnetic stud finder. A tech will run this across a wall to find studs. If your tech is out working around live electrical, this electrical tester will allow them to test outlets to see if there is power in that outlet. This style of level I really love. It is just a short, round 1 foot that has magnets on the bottom. Having a good cutting tool like electrical snips is very important out in the field. The grip size on these scissors is great for larger hands. Techs need a stripper for cable. It's a nice little Klein brand one. Has a spot where you can just rotate with your finger a couple of times back and forth. Another tool that I use all the time is an LED headlamp. I went through and tested 3 or 4 different types. The reason I like this one, it has 3 rows of LEDs and they're actually pointed a little bit on the top and the bottom so that it actually spreads out the beam so you can see more than just where your eyes are pointing right at. Something else I use a great deal of are these little organizers, and these are actually fishing tackle organizers, but they work great in the tech fields. I keep spare batteries, I keep specific kinds of screws. All these little parts, if they get dumped in a big tool bag, are just gonna get scattered and you're not gonna be able to find them. The last tool, kind of on the lower end of pricing, is this Klein multi-tip precision screwdriver. You can have 2 different tips on one end to have smaller Phillips and flathead, and then you have larger Phillips and flathead on the other end. This can be easily rotated back and forth. As we move up the pricing scale a little bit, there is a Klein 27-in-1 multi-tip security bit screwdriver. The tool storage is really amazing. Keeps all of these security tips. Even though I've got a headlamp, it's always nice to have a good LED flashlight. This one is made by Coast. It only takes 1 AA battery and it lasts forever on that battery. Having a good pair of crimpers is important. This will crimp RJ45 and RJ11. We have a butt set. If you've got a data or a telecom tech and they don't already have a butt set, this would be a really important tool for them to have so they can test phone lines. It comes with alligator clips and the ability to plug a phone line directly into it. This is a laser level. It comes with its own carry case. This will go on any normal tripod. This does a 360 view, has a rechargeable battery, and has a USB-C charging port instead of a micro. The last tool I'm going to show you is this Klein cable tester. It comes with 6 remotes so that your tech can actually test 6 different cables simultaneously and identify them. It also tests for PoE or power over Ethernet, so your tech will know if the device they're connecting to is providing power. Again, I'll put a link in the description for all of these items that I've covered